Let's be honest. You want to book high-end elopements, but your brand still looks like it's speaking to budget couples. That disconnect is the reason you're not getting the inquiries you want. Every week, I speak with creatives who are trying to level up to luxury, whether that's raising their prices or expanding into destination weddings or both. But their website, Instagram, the overall vibe still reflects the clients that they've already outgrown. Luxury clients aren't shopping for deals, they're looking for trust, design, experience, and the know and trust factor. So if your visuals or messaging say affordable, that's what you'll attract. But let's fix that. First, show what you want more of. If your feed is full of backyard elopements or low budget setup, it's time to curate. Even if you don't have new content yet, you can highlight details that feel elevated, design, the location, the mood, the experience. It's not about faking it, it's about being intentional with what you feature. And then start building your portfolio or messaging. Second, simplify your brand. True luxury is never cluttered. That means clean design, easy navigation, and clear, confident offer. Too many fonts, too much text, or a messy portfolio, it's a no-no, and time to be replaced with what you do want. Third, shift your tone. Luxury is calm, confident, and clear. You don't need to say, "I'm so excited." You don't need emojis. You don't need all those exclamation marks. Speak with ease. Show that you know what you're doing. Quiet luxury is subtle but powerful, and so is your messaging. If you're not sure where to start, we do brand and website audits inside the Academy. We also do destination one-on-one mentoring to help you build your portfolio or strategy with our VIP days. It's a great way to get clear feedback on what's working and what's pushing dream clients away. That way you can grow exponentially. If this helps, subscribe for more videos like this one. We offer a tip a week to help you grow a luxury elopement brand that actually works. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.